This is your Week 10 update. Once again, first of all, we'll look over the Week 9 video question, then we'll look what's up for Week 10. Alright, let's look at our Week 9 video question. It was, assume in 1 hour of work, Sue can produce 8 pounds of peanuts or 6 pounds of blueberries, whereas in 1 hour of work, Mark can produce 3 pounds of peanuts or 5 pounds of blueberries. Given this information, answer the following questions. The first question was, who has the absolute advantage in the production of blueberries? Well, since in 1 hour of work, Sue can produce 6 pounds of blueberries to Mark's 5 pounds of blueberries, Sue would have the absolute advantage of production in blueberries. Okay? Let's look at the second question. Second question, who has a comparative advantage in the production of peanuts? Well, we're going to have to do a little math here. Looking at the numbers here, we can write this up here. We'll just say we have Sue and Mark. Okay? So there's Sue and Mark. And with Sue, she can produce 8 pounds of peanuts or 6 pounds of blueberries. Whereas Mark can do 3 pounds of peanuts or 5 pounds of blueberries. Okay? Now, I just like to draw a line under these. So we can do the math here, and we could say for Sue, 1 pound of peanuts equals 6/8 blueberries, right? And we can simplify this a bit and say a pound, oops, let me do this. Let's say peanuts equals what? Divided both by 2 be 3/4 blueberries. Alright? Now, we could also take this, just do all the math here because we're going to need this for the third question. What is blueberries cost in terms of peanuts? Well, it's just reciprocal here. So if peanuts is 3/4 blueberries, then a blueberry reciprocal would equal 4/3 peanuts. Okay? Now let's look at Mark's side. A pound of peanuts, we could just simplify it, divide both sides by 3 would be 5/3 blueberries, and do the reciprocal, a blueberry would equal what? 3/5 peanuts. Okay? Now, let's look at peanuts. Well, what is the question here? The question was, who has the comparative advantage in production of peanuts? Well, for peanuts, a pound of peanuts costs Sue's 3/4 blueberries, whereas it costs Mark 5/3 blueberries, which would be what, 1 2/3. So this here, Sue has a lower opportunity cost, so she has a comparative advantage. Alright, so for question 2 was, Sue has a comparative advantage in the production of peanuts because a pound of peanuts only cost her 3/4 pounds of blueberries, where it cost Mark 5/3 or 1 2/3 pounds of blueberries. Now, let's continue this math here, and we know that Sue has a comparative advantage in production of peanuts, but Mark actually has a comparative advantage in production of blueberries, because a pound of blueberries only costs him 3/5 peanuts, where it costs Sue 4/3 peanuts, which would be 1 1/3 peanuts. Alright? So with this information, we can answer the third question. Third question is, should Sue and Mark trade with each other? If so, which good should each produce? Well, yeah, because each of them has a comparative advantage in production of one of the two goods, they should trade. And because Sue has a comparative advantage in the production of peanuts, Sue should produce peanuts, which she has a comparative advantage in the production of, and Mark should produce blueberries because he has a comparative advantage in the production of blueberries. Alright? Well, you had to do some math here, so I hope this makes sense. If you have any questions, email me. Well, let's look up what's up for Week 10. For Week 10, your Week 10 homework assignment, quiz, and video question are all due Sunday, November 3rd at 11 p.m. Alright? Thank you, and have a good day.